Hello and welcome to a free internet TV channel where you can say whatever you want to and don't have to deal with the consequences of hurting others' feelings. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on social media. You can like, you can dislike, you can subscribe. You can unsubscribe if you want to see like Supreme or other hypebeast junk, because you're not going to see that on this channel. Hello, pals. Things are getting back to normal, so we got Sole Supremacy beater boxes on every Friday for the most part. This box is $350 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $400. Counter, same as clearance. It's going to be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors that will affect the value of a shoe. Then we're going to take the entire estimated value, put it up against how much I paid to see how much potential profit there is in this box. Keep in mind too that the prices that pop up on your screen are just the market value. If you want to know how much these shoes are for sale for, go to my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that website is sbmitch.com. Let's open the box. The last $400 shipped box I got was insane. Like, a couple of you might know. It was the $400 box with like all those old Jordans. The whole box sold within like a week, and the return was like 67% or something insane like that. So this could be another hit. We don't really know. I like getting these boxes, so if you're looking for a $4,000 box to watch, you're in the wrong spot. Why am I not moving? Ooh, there's a lot of Reebok in here, it looks like. That's not really a great thing. We got a size 10.5 Kamikaze 2 mid. Ew, these are gross. These are like worn once, but it's, I mean, it's exactly what it said on the box. It's a weak Kamikaze mid. Don't even tell me they match the shirt, because I am not gonna wear these because matching is for the birds, but I mean, Kamikazes were made famous by, was it Sean Kemp? I don't remember. I'm not a basketball guy, so there you go. Neat colorway. Probably not much value because it is a Reebok, but then again, it's what you have to expect in a box. It's $350. So there is a pair, not a box, it's just kind of buried. So we got a Jordan 15. This is probably the recent release. Yeah, this is the recent release of the Stealth 15s. Tinker Hatfield has gone on record saying this is his least favorite Jordan that he's designed. A lot of people do like 15s though, and you can't really complain. This is a size 9.5, so it's a pretty decent size. It has no box. It's just a tiny bit dirty, and it's a 15. That's the only two things really going on against it. So size 9.5, Jordan 15 Stealth from 2017, right? So we got a size 11 Air Jordan 1 Retro 93. I don't really know what it is. It's like I had those retro TXTs 95 or whatever that were like 11s and 1s. This was like an 8 and a 1. Like there's aspects of an 8, like the tongue, a little bit of the texture on the heel. This is actually a pretty okay pair. They're like super lightly worn. There's no star loss. There's no heel drag really. Probably just not much value because again, $350 box. Size 11, Jordan 1, 8 mixture thing. I don't know what the colorway is. If I were to guess, it would be like an alternate 93. I'm guessing it's a size 11. It's from the Pantone pack. This is the Jordan 29. They're worn, but they're in really good shape. I don't know really much about this silhouette or the colorway. I know it's got this little handy thing you can hold right under here if you're doing this, but they're in good shape. A lot of people really love the Pantone 11s that come in this pack, but they might like these too. So it's a size 11 according to the thing. Yeah, it is a size 11. Nicely taken care of, not really beat up. Jordan Pantone 29. Interesting. Cool. There's quite a few shoes in here actually. Got an Air Jordan 1 Retro 95 TXT in a size 11. Well, they definitely made this one pretty obvious. This is definitely the Concord one. You can tell by the patent on the toe box and the canvas around everywhere else. Again, the 23 on the back. Outsoles are in okay shape. They're just a little bit dirty. And there's a little bit of creasing on the patent, but what patent leather shoe doesn't have creasing? Size 11, not much wear. Someone might dig these. Again, $350 box, can't really expect anything crazy. Oh, my nose itches. There you go, size 11. Concord Jordan 1 hybrid thing. 3 more in here. There's actually a really good amount of shoes in here. Let's see. They're all Jordans, so that's good. I got a size 10.5 Air Jordan 1 Low. I think these are the Hair Jordan 1 Low. These are super lightly worn. I mean, they look like they've been worn once, but it's definitely got the Hair 7 kind of colorway going on with it. Gray upper, got that green and that red. Really lightly worn. I mean, hardly anywhere on the bottoms, which is pretty cool. Jordan 1 Lows people are digging on them lately, so can't really complain. 9.5. Nice. Cool. That's a good shoe to get. Let's see this one. We got 2 more. An Air Jordan 1 Retro High. It says J1 High Blue Suede, so that's what I'm guessing it is. They are worn, but they're in really good shape. I mean, it's an all blue Jordan 1. What do you expect? It is mostly suede on the upper, and it's in good shape. There's like hardly any wear on the insoles too. I don't know if you can see the Jumpman in there, maybe. I don't really know. But yeah, I mean, I'm not a huge fan of monochromatic colorways, but some folks are. So there you go, size 11. There's one more pair. It looks like an older Jordan, which I'm a big fan of. Size 11, Jordan 7 Retro. So this is the 2010 release. It's an Olympic-ish colorway, but you can see that there on the heel means this is the For the Love of the Game Jordan 7s. They are in really, really nice shape. A little bit of outsole wear, just dirt, not even wear, just dirt. And the insoles are in really awesome shape too. I don't know if you can see it, but full Jumpman in there. Interesting. I mean, it looks like an Olympic 7, but it's not. So, I mean, it does have the number 9 on the back, just like every other one, but these were taken really, really nice care. Was that a word? Was that a sentence? No. These were well taken care of. Ugh. So there you go, size 11. For the Love of the Game 7s. And that is a $350 Sole Supremacy beater box. It's definitely a different kind of $350 box than the last one we got, but I think that last one we got was very, very unusually awesome. This one's pretty good too, though, I think. But let's take a look at the numbers and see what's going on here in the breakdown. I mean, this isn't a bad box. I mean, it's a $350 box, and there were what, 1, 2, 3, I don't remember how many shoes were in here, but considering, I think it's a pretty good, decent box. Return on these lower tier boxes just seems to be better than a lot of the more expensive boxes. But hey, these shoes will be available today, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, sbmitch.com. See you there. No, I won't be there. It's an internet site. You can't actually be there. It's so hot in here. This is ridiculous. Hey, have a great rest of your weekend. Thanks for watching. Take care of each other, please. That would be awesome. And I'll see you next time. Remember to make it fun, because sneakers are supposed to be fun. Bye.